Ooh, we got this. Wait, what? Ryan, you do not have this many guns, brother. There's no way. Oh, this would have been one of my favorites, and then this would have too. Fuck.
It's one of the things